Hey everyone, have you ever wondered if you're missing out on crucial steps when trying to cash out your Hamster Kombat earnings? Imagine putting in all that effort only to find out you skipped something vital and missed out on your rewards. Well, today, I'm here to make sure that doesn't happen to you. Recently, a critical update was shared in the official Telegram group, and it's something you can't afford to overlook. I'll walk you through the essential steps you need to take to ensure your Hamster Kombat earnings are safe and secure and that you're ready for the upcoming airdrop. By the end of this video, you'll be fully prepared to cash out your rewards without any issues. Picture this. You're part of a big community, all eagerly awaiting the distribution of rewards. The excitement is palpable, but there's also a bit of anxiety. The latest official message from Hamster Kombat's Telegram channel emphasized a crucial point: making sure your Telegram wallet or Ton wallet is properly set up and linked to the Hamster Kombat bot. You can use the TuneKeeper wallet. It is also a supported wallet. This is the gateway to your earnings, and if it's not done correctly, you might find yourself empty-handed when the rewards start rolling in. Our explanation today: it will be on the Telegram wallet. So what exactly do you need to do? First things first, if you haven't already, you need to activate your Telegram wallet. The process is straightforward, but it's also easy to miss a step if you're not careful. I'm going to break it down for you, step by step. Open your Telegram app and navigate to the 3 lines in the upper left corner. Here, you'll find an option labeled Wallet. Click on it, and if you see the official wallet screen, you're good to go. But if you don't see it, don't panic. Simply use the search bar at the top of Telegram and type in Wallet. The correct option should pop up. Once you've found it, hit Start and follow the prompts to activate your wallet. Now that your wallet is active, let's link it to the Hamster Kombat bot. This is where things get interesting. When you open the bot, make sure your wallet is connected. You should see a green check mark next to it. If you don't, follow the instructions in the bot to link it up. This connection is vital because it's the bridge between your hard-earned rewards and your ability to cash them out. With your wallet linked, you're almost there. The final step is to ensure that you've double-checked everything. Remember, the airdrop is coming soon, and any mistake now could cost you. It's worth taking a few extra minutes to confirm that everything is set up correctly. After all, this is your money we're talking about. Now that you're fully prepared and your wallet is linked, you can rest easy knowing you won't miss out on your Hamster Kombat rewards. That's it for today's update. If there are any further updates or changes to this airdrop, I'll make sure to create another video to keep you all informed. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel.